Eastern PA Weather Authority Meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for September 9th, 2016. For your Friday, we're going to have a cold front boundary, a very weak front that's going to be stalled just north of the region, and it's going to be right about here today. So out ahead of it, there is the opportunity for an isolated or perhaps widely scattered shower or thunderstorm, and that's going to be probably later in the afternoon we're looking at this happening. So there's the frontal boundary. There's where it's going to kind of stall and dissipate. As we go a little bit further from this point, you can see here in the evening hours, you do have some showers and thunderstorms that are going to start making it further south again ahead of that front because it's still there. So it will become a focus of added lift, and then you could have the shower or thunderstorm pop up. Here's the high-res NAM, 4-kilometer NAM for the the simulated radar. This is going from 5 p.m. on Friday. You can see some activity starting to form here in central PA. It's going to kind of move generally on a west to east trajectory here. If you could get into this, here's now 8 p.m. And there's 11 p.m. So somewhere between I'd say 5 and about 11 you can get into that. Maybe something going and continuing overnight here with a shower or thunderstorm possible. This is 2 a.m. Saturday, still showing some activity. Again, with that front still being there, it will become the focus of the showers and storms. But then as that this is 5 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, and then there's 8 o'clock, it's pretty much died down and gotten out of the picture here. So this frontal boundary will start to dissipate, and when it does, it loses the focus of the showers and thunderstorms around it. So you will have that opportunity this afternoon, and you will have that again in the overnight period tonight with the isolated to widely scattered chance for a scattered shower or thunderstorm. And there is that system moving away in the morning. And then we have another cold front to our west. This is looking at Saturday afternoon. This is a more powerful cold front, and the area low pressure is up here. Best forcing is going to be further to the north here. This is also going to kind of run into this ridge here, which is sitting right out here, providing us that plenty of heat. And that flow around that high pressure, of course, is going to give us the southerly or southwesterly winds, and that's going to kick up temperatures again on Saturday. I think what Saturday is probably a match of what it was on Thursday, where you have temperatures and humidity pretty high. Today, I don't think the humidity is going to be quite as high, but in areas of showers and thunderstorms, it's still going to be relatively on the high side. So just not as bad as Friday, if that makes any sense. So temperatures will take a step back, maybe 2 degrees or so from what it was in highs on Thursday. But here's Saturday, and that goes right back up again. And then going forward, this is another one that just falls apart overnight. Best forcing is going to be up here in New England. Could have a shower or thunderstorm, mainly favoring our northern areas in the overnight period Saturday night. But once this moves through, Sunday is going to be much better. You have this big high pressure sitting back here in the Ohio Valley waiting to come in. That's going to slowly make its way eastward over the next couple of days. And Sunday's going to be a becoming mostly sunny day. You might have a few clouds very early on, but that's about it. Then it becomes mostly sunny, very pleasant. Temperatures are going to be lowering down to pretty close to near normal, maybe slightly above here yet on Sunday. And then we go back to normal here on Monday as a high pressure sitting right over top of the area. So it's going to be a beautiful day here on Monday, refreshing, low humidity day. And then as the high pressure moves off the coast here on Tuesday, that is going to get a return flow going in like this again around this high pressure. That's going to get temperatures up for both Tuesday and Wednesday. If you look at the northwest part of the image here, you can see a cold front advancing toward the area. That's going to get here later on Wednesday. Here's a look at Wednesday morning, still well west of the area. And then by the time we get to the evening, it's again falling apart. If you're looking for precipitation, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but there's really not a lot here. So if you do get something, consider yourself lucky. But right now, it doesn't look like any of these fronts are really going to produce anything of substance. Another high pressure that's pretty even stronger moving in behind this, and I think the cool shot's going to be a little cooler this time once we get to Thursday behind this one. That's getting out of our 6-day window, but I do think once the cooler air gets wrapped in here, you're going to be back down to the 70s for highs, so it'll be a little bit more potent than the first front once we get to later Wednesday and get past that front and as we head into Thursday and beyond into next weekend. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is our outlook for September 9th, 2016. Have a great Friday.